can see this. Right full of grime. I'm going to use a little bit of this. And some of these guys. And then we're going to apply some of these. I like to do this with a tip. Take it, tear it off that much, throw it away, and you got this done. I'm going to use a little bit of Vim. Don't plug it in while it's soaked. So, after it's all cleaned out, you can see wear and tear there. I don't know how that's going to affect the up and down and right and stuff. But everything is spotless. I was like, what's the best way to clean this? Yep, bald fuck. That should be enough. So now that they're pretty much all clean, there's some stains I can't get off, but like if you look, it's a little bit stained there. On to this. This is fucking filthy. Jesus, oh man. And the rubbers. Now these are fragile. I remember they start to split and dry rot after so long. What's the best way to clean all that? Mr. Clean! And I'll scrub it with some more of those guys and dry it off. Something I want to show you about wear and tear. There's no real way of fixing this. If you see right there, it's tore open. You can't fix that. That is wear and tear. I clean this the best I can, and I think the one that is tore open lines up there, and that's why he got dissolved by sweat and all the other stuff. It's not real complicated. These guys only go in a certain way. I'm just gonna guess here now. Look at it and size it up. Next, the rubber thingy. On this, the loop is going to go around that hole right there. You can see the little holes here, right there at the center screen down there. It's not real complicated. I believe these guys go in here. Let's go there. 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 Like that. These guys will fall back down in place. Nothing real complicated about that. Wait for any of the water or any liquid you used. You can use pretty much anything. I wouldn't use oven cleaner. Well, that takes off varnish, so I can only imagine what it's going to do with a controller. I found that out the hard way. Just wait for it to dry and you can plug her in and try it. Flawless. Alright. That one's Y, I was changing to B. Extra working flawlessly. Right bumper, left bumper, blue selector. Nope. But it's all working. Left, right, jump, duck. All working fine. So, I only have 3 more controllers to do. I just discovered that somebody must have got mad with this controller and tried to break it in half. See the crack? Crack, crack. I got the joiners. That's my start when working on this controller. So, I'm going to fix that. Stage 1. Get a little bit of sandpaper like this and work at it until you expose the copper wire and under. Once you get that done, it should look like this. The next thing is to get some flux. There's a bit of flux there. Get something. Put a little drop of flux on it. Like that. As you can see, the joint is stop going fucking blurry. The joint is sealed. All bypass is working good. And this is the broken controller fixed. Screen. Working perfect.